Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let me introduce myself. I am Ayushi Parekh. I am a college student. I have achieved distinction in FY and SY BCom, and now I am providing coaching of FY, SY and TY BCom. Especially in this session, I am going to teach the final year, that is TY BCom. Now, before introducing subjects, I would like to inform you that this is the most important year for you. Why I am saying like that TY is the most important year? Because in degree, the result of TY BCom, that means semester 5 and semester 6 will appear. So you have to do hard work. This is same like a standard 10th and 12th. You have to do hard work for achieving the best result in degree. Now let me explain you which subjects you have to study in semester 5. The very first subject, that is Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 5. This is also known as auditing. Next subject, Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 6. It means it is also known as the management accountancy. Now these both subjects are a combo pack. Already you have known this name. Remember, in SY, Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 1, that means costing. Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 2, that means corporate account. These both subjects you have already studied in semester 3. Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 3, Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 4, costing and combo pack. These both subjects you have already studied in semester 4. Now, Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 5, it means auditing. Paper 6, it means management accountancy. These both subjects you have to study in semester 5. Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 7, it means auditing, and paper 8, it means management accountancy. These both subjects you have to study in next semester, that is semester 6. Now these both subjects are very dangerous or helpful also for you. How? Let I explain you. For passing in both subjects, you have to get minimum 36 marks. It means the total of both the subjects must have a minimum 36 marks in exam. If you are getting 10 marks in auditing and 30 marks in management accountancy, it means the total of both the subjects is 40. You need 36 marks for passing. Now if you get 40 marks, then you are passed in both the subjects. But if you get 10 marks in auditing and 20 marks in management accountancy, it means the total of both the subjects is only 30. Then you are fail in both the subjects, right? So these are dangerous also and helpful also. Next, that is mercantile law. This is also known as M law. Then statistics, you know about this subject. English, business administration and economics. These subjects you have to study in TY BCom. Now let I explain all these subjects in brief. Start with the first, Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 5. Now what is audit? An audit is an evaluation or examination of something by a person or group of people. Audit means you have to evaluate something, right? For what purpose? To know your financial position. And in this semester this is a theoretical subject. It means that sums are not allowed in this subject. Only theory are included. Next, that is mercantile law. It is also known as M law. Now, it is a very difficult subject for students just because in this subject, student cannot write in his own language. He must have to write in law language. If you write in your own language, then your answer will be wrong. You get 0 mark. Let I give you one example. The question will ask in examination like this. What is contract? In 2 mark. Now you have to write answer like this. The Indian Contract Act 1872 defines the term contract under section 2H as an agreement enforceable by law. Only this 3 to 4 line you have to write in answer for 2 mark. Now if I ask you what is contract, then you will reply me. What is contract? It is very easy. I can fill 2 to 3 page about contract, but it is wrong because this is a subject mercantile law. It means you have to write in law language, in language that is given in your book. So this is dangerous subject. Most of the KTs are seen in this subject. So we will try that we can give our better performance in this subject. Next, statistics. I will also providing coaching in statistics. Then English, economics, and business and administration. In these 3 subjects, I will provide summary important notes to you. But there is something minor different in business and administration. Case study. I hope you will see this name. You will listen this name. In case study, for especially semester 5 and 6, calculative case study will ask. You have practiced of case study from semester 1, 2, 3 and 4. But in semester 5 and 6, calculations are included in case study. So this is the one different. And in economics, so many tables, so many data are involved in our syllabus. So we can say that in comparison economics, business administration is easy. Don't worry about it. I provide all the notes to you. Now the next subject, that is Advanced Accounting and Auditing Paper 6. This is known as a Management Accounting. This is a practical subject. It means that you have to do sums in this subject. Theory is also included, but mostly sums are more than theory. Now let I explain you the syllabus of Management Accounting. The very first chapter name, that is Management Accounting. This chapter has theory only. The weightage of this chapter is 10%. Second, analysis of financial statements. This chapter has also theory. The weightage of this chapter is 15%. Third chapter, that is ratio analysis, whose weightage is 25%. This is a practical chapter. It means that you have to do sums in this chapter. Next, fund flow statement. The weightage of this chapter is also 25%. This is also practical subject. In this chapter, you have to do sums. And last chapter, that is cash flow statement. This chapter has also 25% weightage. Now, first 2 chapters are theoretical and last 3 chapters are practical as well as theory also. But sums are more in comparison to theory. And these 3 chapters are study and teach at world level. So these are the most important chapters. So now I stop here. We will start chapter number 1, management accounting, who has theory, from the next session. So thank you very much for your attention, and if you have any doubts then you can share in comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care.